can find many important reasons why open education is important, but I can tell about two of the reasons. One reason is that in the digital world you have an important difference with the analog world, that is the economy of scale. In the case of economy of scale, you can develop one digital content and the cost of reproduction is lower. So openness can give many advantages of this reproduction of digital content. And the other is that we expect for our students that in the world of tomorrow they get new competences, new skills. And these new 21st century skills are probably much better using open education than with traditional education. In Spain, we have many initiatives of open education. For example, we have a pro-common space with more than 85,000 open educational resources. We also have MOOCs, open course with massive participation from Spain and also from South America. We develop our open educational resource by Proyecto EDIA in Mérida. And in any way, we do a lot of things, but there is no written down policy on open education. So probably the next step will be to write down and to publish an open education in Spain, policy in Spain. Well, for the future, as I said, I think it's related with the evolution of the digital world and the new competences of the 21st century. In this world, it's necessary that the policymakers and the institutions like European institutions help each of the member states to develop and to implement an open education policy, because probably it's more easier for us to establish a framework starting from the European and also on other UNESCO, for example, recommendations.